All right, darlings. We're talking about the 2-octave C scale, ascending, descending. We're starting in middle C. And let's call out the notes together. C, D, E, F, G, A, open string, B, C. Now we're going to start going this way. D, you notice there's a dot. E, there's a dot. F, G, A, B, C. Let's do that again. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Ascending. Now we're going to descend. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. And I just change up my fingers. I don't have a way of fingering, to tell you the truth. It's like sort of like whatever the mood is that's hitting me.